Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to go into Canva Pro and we're going to take a look at some of the features that are not available inside of the free version. One of the elements that you have available to you are branding elements. You can click inside of this link. Now the brand starts by your being able to use a logo that your team will be able to use when they are logged into Canva. And this is in the area of your brand kit. You also have brand templates. If you don't have a brand template, you can create a brand template. And this template can be any of the forms that are available inside of Canva and can be used and reused over and over again for individuals looking to keep content consistent across platforms. So if you create a specific PowerPoint presentation and you make it available here inside of Canva, you can edit this template so that everyone can use it whenever they have a presentation to use. For example, one thing we can do with a presentation is that we can apply all 16 pages to the element. So basically, we have a template that we have available that our team will be able to use. We can save this as a presentation, and we can publish this as a brand template, and it will be available inside of our brand templates inside of Canva. And now when you go looking for a template, you will then be able to access the template that you have created from inside of your menu. Once you save the document, it will then be part of your Canva document to be used on the platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.